Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn numbers. We will be learning from 1 to 10. Let us get started. We will be tracing all these with different colors. This is 1. 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 We will again color these numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Thank you kids for coloring all these numbers with me. We will read one by one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Thank you kids for coloring all these numbers with me. Do like this video and subscribe. Bye bye.